Good morning.
Overnight stays on your boat is such a great experience. There are many different style boats that are perfectly set up for overnight camping, like the mighty little C-Dory. The most popular amongst fishermen, the Walkaround Cuddy. And the pilot house, like this Parker. Every boater has their individual style and setup when it comes to overnight camping. In this video, we're going to introduce you to good friends of ours, Andre and Allie, and we're going to do a walkthrough of their boat and also show you their setup.
Alright, and so our boat is a Grady White. It's a 1985. It's a 24 foot. It's the Offshore Pro 24? Offshore Pro 24? Yeah, that's what it is.
And if you're interested in seeing our 23-foot Sea Fox barely behaving, make sure you go to Perfect Fit Boating, and Allie's going to do a walkthrough of our setup and our boat. So don't want to miss that.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
Hey guys, so we are on our trip down to Bahia Honda and we've had a great time so far, and so we are going to kind of show you a couple of different setups. Their boat is a little bit different than ours. They got a little more room and stuff, so we're gonna see how they set all their stuff up, and then we're gonna show them how we set all of our stuff up. So we have a lot of stuff, so they're probably gonna laugh at everything we have, but Allie is going to give us a walkthrough of their boat and everything that they set up, what they need. So we're excited to see how they do this.
Hey guys, my name is Allie. I am one half of Perfect Fit Boating YouTube channel, and we are down here camping out right next door to the boat of Two Bears Outdoors, the channel you're watching right now. We all have a different camping setup. We've been checking out the other boats around us too, and it's really cool to see how everybody does their own thing. So I guess I'll just show you some of the stuff that we bring on our trip. We'll start back here. We'll keep it organized. We have one really big, long cooler here.
Yeah, look at that. Look at all that
loaded with
space.
The cup holders on top are a savior, because you can never have too many cup holders on a boat. It's loaded with ice right now. I don't know if there's much else in there, but and a bunch of fish.
Oh yeah, they just caught a bunch of fish today, guys.
Yeah, we got a bunch of tons of water. Then we've actually got a fridge freezer combo with us for the first time.
So that's the same kind of thing like what we have.
Yeah, exactly. And
these things are awesome.
It's great. This freezer side is ice cold. Same thing with the fridge. Super cool. We had always wanted one of those for camping, so this is our first time with it. Yeah, we totally love it. I think our favorite feature is this mosquito net. It has saved us this entire trip from being eaten alive by mosquitoes. We actually bought 2 big long mosquito nets about 10 feet by 30 feet, and I ran them through my sewing machine, sewed them together, so it's about 20 feet over.
So that's how you got it so big like that.
Yeah, so it's 10 feet down this way, 10 feet down the other way. You can see the seam right down here in the middle.
Yeah,
and it's
that is so cool.
About 30 so feet long. We have a 24-foot boat, and we have it over our big sunshade here with some telescoping poles, so that kind of holds it up, and we have it all the way over the front of the boat. That it covers the whole space, which makes the whole space usable when you're camping.
Their whole front is enclosed, so
yeah, otherwise we'd be hiding in the cabin from you. You can feel them land on you since they're so big and heavy. So yeah, between the mosquito net and this big sunshade here, those are 2 of our favorite things. Then we've got a pop-up, nice big.
I was looking at that. That's cool.
Crazy. It folds down totally flat. This is the tallest like camping shower they had on Amazon. It's almost like 7 feet tall. It's pretty tall.
Tall.
Super cool. And we actually use it for all kinds of stuff. You can use it as a shower, It's got little mesh corners, so
Oh,
all the water
cool.
actually runs out. And it's got a zip up here at the top, as you can see in here. That's the sunshade.
Oh, wow.
This is where you would actually hang a shower bag over.
Oh, cool.
It says
Oh,
camp
yeah.
shower. You can see the water when it has
Yeah.
water. So we put the black side up so it attracts the sun and it heats up. And then you've got
Yeah.
a little nozzle here, and you just turn it on and you can hang it up there and shower in here.
That's cool.
We've got ventilation. We have a bucket toilet set up in here. We use it for changing, hosing ourselves down.
That's neat.
So this was another, we're living on Amazon.
Yeah.
It has so much good boat stuff for so cheap. So yeah, we've got all kinds of bags of food. We've got a little foldable bucket. This is where we're actually doing our dishes right now.
Oh, okay.
So that folds down, great to have for anything, carrying
Yeah.
water, washing things in, and it folds away so it doesn't take
We
up
need
much
one
room.
of those. That's
Yeah,
cool.
That was a cool little thing. I think it even came with like a little sponge and washcloth, and
Yeah.
it was a cool purchase. What else we got over here? Oh, we've got our solar panel actually down right now.
Oh, okay.
But we bought this bimini top like a year ago. The sun completely ate up the cover. So we bought a new replacement cover, and then I sewed a panel on top of it. You can see the zigzag stitch here.
Oh, yeah.
I sewed
yeah.
a big panel, and it's kind of just got an edge around it that we can slide the solar panel into. So it stays secured on the top, and we can run all kinds of stuff from solar power, which is really cool. We just got into that. All right, so then we've got the cabin in here. We've actually got the AC running right now, and the exhaust vent. It's
Yep.
super hot, so we hang our wet clothes over here, and it actually works as a perfect little built-in dryer. And then not too much to show in here because it is kind of a mess.
Oh, imagine that.
All the bags
The
you just throw
beaver's
in
a
during the
mess.
day. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, but we've got a lot of space in there.
And you got a lot of windows, too.
We've
I
got
like
a lot
that.
of windows. We've got to make some curtains. Right now we've just got
Yep.
a towel kind
Yep.
of draped across there. And we bought, instead of going with like a, I guess, boat-specific mattress, we bought a huge 8-inch deep memory foam mattress on Amazon for a queen-size bed, which was way bigger than we needed, but we wanted it to be as wide as the boat. And we took an electric, like turkey carving knife, and we cut it to the shape.
Yeah,
And then we
that's
cut it
what we
into
did with ours.
4 different pieces, and we actually picked it up from an upholstery shop and dropped off the 4 pieces, and the guy did an amazing job.
Cool. So they
of-
made a cover for a specific cover
Yeah,
for you.
Perfect. And he
That's
did so
cool.
good. He did plastic zippers so they won't rust.
Yeah.
And we won't get stuck with rusted
that's
zippers.
cool.
The guy was so great. He's local to the Miami area, and he hooked us up with some nice upholstery. So
That's nice.
slowly upgrading our setup for camping. We want to get as good as you guys someday. But
Alright, so we're in here. This is their unit. We're jealous of this unit. Ours is doing decent, but theirs freezes them to death. We need something like that. So they got lots of room in here. This is all their electronics and everything. I love the windows. And they've got a big door, which I like too, so it makes it easy to get in and out. Yeah, this thing was awesome. You're ahead of
only
us
getting
on that. We need those covers. Well, we're gonna have to get a new mattress and then do that.
Yeah.
Because this one is like, it's full of mold. It's
done, huh?
done. Yeah, yeah.
Well, the mattresses, memory foam mattresses on Amazon are actually not that expensive. Yeah, so I think that's it for our setup.
That's cool.
Yeah, so
That's cool.
Thank you so
yeah,
much. For
they've got
coming by.
they've got a nice boat, and they've been retrofitting, and it's an older boat, and they're just really kind of making it their own. So that's the best way to do. It's so hard to find a boat that's got every little thing that you want. So just get a boat and then just start fixing it the way you want it. I mean, that's the way we've been trying to do kind of with ours too, but we need more space. We're so jealous of all their space.
It's all a work in progress, right? Well, thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Bye.
Bye.